Yes, sir. We got the boy Gunna. Let's go.
Let's go. What you thinking, bro?
Bro, this is my second. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and this is a video I never really wanted to make. It is sad, but we lost a beautiful soul in the bike life community. Shout out my boy Jonathan, aka Gunna. Rest in peace, brother. You will be missed. As you guys know, Gunna's been in a couple of my videos. You've probably seen him. And yeah, it's just a situation where you never want to hear, you know, a friend of yours go down and, you know, lose his life. That's a situation you never want to hear. So let's get in this tribute, celebrate Gunna's life, man. He was such an amazing person. He just had so much love within him, and yeah, man, he had a family and everything, so it really hits hard. But let's get in this tribute. This is for you, brother. Keep shredding up above. I love you, brother.
You know what? MotoBroo versus Gunna. MotoBroo on the 700. I'm on the 09 450.
You want me to ride the 700?
Let's get it. MotoBroo, I like that though.
What is he saying?
He said I was in second gear, left moto, and you was nowhere to be found.
Bro, this ain't in my bike, bro. I'll whoop you on my bike.
I'll give you 4 gears in that.
I bet you. Let me get you on this.
Let's go. Oh. I'm gonna be fair. You can bump a little bit.
Say what? Nah, bro, no. You don't know how fast this is, bro. Alright, you're faster.
You took off on him and you had to have a second over him because he was hesitant.
Yeah, I told you, man.
No,
nah,
I was in second gear.
he got me.
I didn't even switch gears.
No, yeah, he got me. That big 450 got me.
Big 450 gang. Yo, shout out to MotoBroo coming out here with the 150 getting busy.
Yes, sir.
Take on the big 450.
Y'all know the vibes.
Big boy Gunna back with another banger. We got my boy MotoBroo out here.
Yes, sir. We're out here. Village 7, boy.
Let's get it. We got the whole squad with us. We about to get to it. I'll hit y'all when we get back.
Boy, Gunna.
Look at Gunna. Everyone reserve.
But he said mixing 2-stroke wrong at the gas station.
You gotta shake that thing good, bro.
I think that's good enough. It thought it went 12. Look.
Oh, that shit already leaking out.
Yeah, how you do this shit, bro? This shit ain't it. It's not outside. If I can't
That's
scrape
a new
now,
3.5.
if I can't scrape now, there's a problem.
No way! he thinks he's something crazy now, bro. And all the money this video makes will be going to the GoFundMe. I'll have a GoFundMe link in the description down below too. $1, 50 cents, anything. Share the video, anything helps, man. Gunna, I love you, brother. And just a little PSA, please wear your helmets. Like, even if you're ripping around your neighborhood, anywhere that you're on a freaking dirt bike, wear your helmet, because you never know when things are gonna go down. You could literally just be cruising in your neighborhood just thinking, I'm gonna go on a little scroll, and then next thing you know, boom, you're done, you're not here no more. So yeah, just to close this out, like I said, I have the GoFundMe link down below. Anything is appreciated, like I said, 50 cents, $1, anything can help. Just sharing this video, commenting, putting out your love out there for Gunna, man. He was just such an amazing person, and he just, like I said, he had so much love, and he was just such an, like, right when we met, like, I just felt like a connection, like, oh, this is a homie. He's like a real ass motherfucker. He don't really care about all that bullshit, you know. He's just a real genuine person. And yeah, brother, you will be missed for sure. It's just sad, man. These bikes, bro, like, there's so much love, and we love these bikes, you know, like, we can't get away from it. Once you get that passion for these bikes, there's no stopping it. And that's why it's always just best to wear your freaking helmet. Wear the goddamn helmets. Like I said, if you're watching this, and please wear your helmet. Please wear your helmet. I don't care if you're going around the neighborhood. I don't care if you're on your freaking little 50, bro. Put on that helmet, because you never know. Like I said, with these bikes, and when you're doing stunts, like, you just never know the stuff that can go down. So stay up, gang. Gunna, rest in peace, brother. I will see you when it's my time, and I'm sure we'll be shredding up there in the heavens. I love you, gang. Stay motivated. Peace.